Good morning, y'all. We're gonna do a POV drive in the FN2 turbo car. What fell out my pocket? Oh, chewing gum. Need those. So I want to start the car up now. Cold start after a crazy weekend. Bismillah. Ooh. Boosted FN2 typo. I don't know what that is, guys. Back in the 2000s, people used to buy a car, or even in the 90s car, you'd start the car up, you'd let it warm up before you're doing anything, especially if it's a turbo car, because what you don't want to do is drive a turbo car, start the car up and just giving it the beans. Because I'm telling you now, the oil is still thick. Because in a turbo car, you're going to use racing oil. So when the oil is thick, it's not going to get through the oil lines, the AN10 lines to the turbo. And because it's so thick and it's not really circulating, you're going to blow the turbo seals and you'll blow the engine. It's not circulating properly. That's why you got to let the car run. Right now, I'm running 10W60. So you got to let the car warm up. And I know in the UK, especially now, it's all fast paced, so when you start a car up, you gotta start driving, and there's lots of cars that force you to drive quick. Don't let the car warm up itself. I just remember the days when I was younger, a lot of people would always warm their cars up, and the most worstest thing is, if you're from Birmingham, the cars are gonna get nicked. That's why you gotta have like a turbo timer or a steering lock or something that can lock the car up. But I remember back in the days in the 90s, cars were getting boosted left, right, centre for people just warming the car up, so it scares people to do that. So you just sit in the car. I see a lot of people in modified cars start their car up and they'll sit in there for like 5 minutes to 10 minutes for the car to warm up before they actually go. Obviously, bear in mind this car's a sleeper build, so there's no like tachometers to explain the temperature. Because you know, in the Skyline, I would have the engine temp, I'd have the turbo temp, and like it'll tell me when I can start boosting. So it's pretty crazy when you've got all that stuff. But because this is not supposed to be designed to show people what it is, you can't tell. But yeah, man, I'm just going off by the driving time. So within like a couple of minutes, I know this car's gonna be good to go. Be a amount of cars that we overtook, it's mad. But just a bit of experience for people. If you're gonna drive a turbocharged car, boosted engine, boosted car, it's always better to drive it with the exhaust quiet, so people just can't tell, can't see, and you enjoy it. It's not just a weekend car, it's a daily car. I've been daily in this car every day, and honestly, it's the best of both worlds. Let's get some rub before we give it some. This is a boosted FN2 Type R found a brake. Look at what it gets for MPGs. What car do you know that's running that power, getting me 91 miles per gallon? Got outside the BMW estate, fully modified right now. But we know we can smoke it. He just thinks this is just a stock FN2. A lot of camera these days, a lot of undercover police cars these days, and a lot of fines these days. See how fast it is. Yeah, basically. Yeah, fair play. It's low boost though. Go on. Mad. What's that pushing?
It's a 320.
320? Yeah. Diesel? Remap though, innit? Obviously.
Nah, you know, I think it's stock.
It's quick.
Right.
Why are you lying, bro? Doing it, bro? Yeah.
Follow, bro.
Look, bro. Ease the car in. Low boost, by the way, so 320 brake, not the full 500. We don't need to go high boost on the certain roads, you know. All the hood sticks out there. This was the place I grew up, by the way, guys. AG. If you don't know about AG, this is where I grew up. Straight up. Don't think you're an AG just because you shop in JD. Oh no! What am I gonna do? You could never ever do that with a slow car, and I would get into an accident. So when you make it, like, you know, sometimes you can save lives, but I couldn't press brake. If an oncoming car was coming, you know, it's dangerous. A lot of people say that was my fault, but sometimes you have to do things with confidence. One thing I learned from Colin McRae: if in doubt, go all out. Simple as that. Oh, talk about Subaru Impreza. What are the chances of that? There's just too many cars parked up on the roads. Back in the early 2000s, the roads were empty. People only had one car in a driveway. Now every single person has like 10 cars per driveway. I'm not exaggerating right here. And the speed bumps, more speed bumps. I mean, yeah, don't get me wrong, it stops accidents, because that bit is probably the worst bit. 2 cars come in and a fast 2-way. Traffic lights needed, not speed bumps. In the heart of Moseley. Let's do a bit of boosting around here. What gear was that? I need to get cash, by the way. Oh look, Ferrari. Right on. Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna make this. Oh wow, see that? That's the launch thing, that is. Sparkhill, Sturchley, Moseley, Kingsheath. Whoa! To get past here, excuse me guys. Give us way, yeah? There we go. Nice and easy. This car can go through all busy places. Cause this car can do it all. Too many cars. Can't go anywhere. You know, but like this, see him now, it's a race between who can get there first. Thank you. Boom! Boom! Thank you very much. There we go, back there, good quality, as embroidered. I'm never going to be late to destinations we need to go. Traction kept kicking in as well, got to keep that off. Next on to the next bucket list, which area should we go to now in Birmingham? Should we go Shirley, Solihull sides? In Moseley again, or this Yardley Wood? Yardley Wood. More rally nights. This is actually a decent area, this is. Giving you guys a bit of a tour. This is known as Yardley Wood Lakes. One more pull for the next area before we get into Shirley, Solihull sides. Second gear pull. That went pap, that did. AK-47, watch it learner. Every day there's a house for sale on every single road. Now we're in Hull Green. It's rush hour traffic now, so there's a lot of people out and about. I had some people horning at me. Now I'm blocking their way. Alright, B-road action. Oh, absolutely angry. All you need is literally second gear, and that's it. That's it. And this car will give you the rush that you can, unexplainable rush of everything, of speed, like survival. And you know when they say you're most alive when you're close to death. Well, it's not actually close to death because of how quick it is and the adrenaline and everything. it pretty much gives you that crazy rush of feeling adrenaline. All you need is second gear. It doesn't make sense as to how quick it goes through the revs. And again, I don't even need high boost. The low boost is enough. We don't need to go fast down here. Keep it nice and civilized. What? Did you see? Scary. Larry, that was Larry. Yeah, I would never try to give it around his blind spots. That's probably the best feeling, when it slowly goes into boost, not when it's in boost, because it all just comes in and then dump valve when you change the gear. I know you guys would probably say, just send it. Nah, look after the car sometimes here and there, you know. You look after the car look after you. Oh, jeez. Cap stays there. If you want to get a cap, hoodstick.com. I'm probably going to say that every time it falls off. Okay, final cobwebs. See that? Whoa! They actually tried it. That was nuts. They actually tried it. They're trying to bumper me now. Nothing just beats that sound, does it? This car is the best. This is the best car ever. There's always going to be better cars for other things, but this does everything, hands down. If you guys enjoyed that, buy a cap. Nah, I'm only joking. If you guys enjoyed that video, smash that subscribe button, smash the like button, drop a comment on what you guys want to see on this car, what we want to do, because obviously it's more driving oriented, so more stuff like that. Let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace out. Farewell, my brother Hoodsticks. Don't try to take this. Tell ya, the finance AMG is a rip-off. 30 miles per hour. He's fast. Go, 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 go. Now it's revving up. Smooth, reliable, family. Let's go night racing. Go, 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 spin it, spin it, spin it. Yes, my God, let's go. It's still going, look, 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 look. PD 130 is fast. Go, 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 go. morning to night. It's worth a video in one day. So that's it, guys. Again, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, become part of the brotherhood. Peace out.